Yes, children. Good morning, everyone. Join soon so that we can start the class. Children, in the last class when we met, we were discussing about the speed of a moving body. Okay, speed is calculated as the distance covered divided by the total time taken to cover that distance, and there are two types of motion depending upon the speed. If a body has a constant speed throughout its motion or throughout its journey, it is said to be performing uniform motion. And if the speed of a moving body varies, it is called non-uniform motion. It is called what? Non-uniform motion. Okay, children? So we will write uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Uniform motion. Uniform motion if the speed of remains constant throughout its journey, then it is said to be performing uniform motion. Uniform motion. On the other hand, if the speed of a moving body changes during its journey or during its motion, it is called non-uniform motion. It is called what? Non-uniform motion. If the speed of a moving body if the speed of a moving body changes during its journey, then this type of motion is known as non-uniform motion. Okay, please note down. Only 8 children have joined. What others are doing? All of you have to join. Very few number of children have joined the class. All of you are supposed to join. All of you are supposed to join, okay? Non-uniformity. Note down. Types of speed. One is instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed. The speed which is at the moment of time. Moment of time. For example, when a car is running at a speed of 60 km per hour, so that moment of time, that speed will be called instantaneous speed. Instant का मतलब है एक क्षणिक क्षणिक और फिर हमने ब्रेक लगा दिया तो वो कम हो जाएगी. तो इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड is different and average speed is different. Average speed is calculated as the speed throughout the motion. Okay, children? So instantaneous speed, the speed shown by speedometer, the speed shown by speedometer of a moving vehicle at a particular moment of time, at a particular moment. Okay, children? At a particular moment, that is called instantaneous speed. Speed. Another type of speed is average speed. Second is average speed. Average speed is not the actual speed moved by the vehicle, because sometimes we may apply brakes so the speed reduces. Sometimes we may not have any traffic, so we may run the vehicle very fast. Understand? So the average speed is calculated as the total distance covered upon total time taken. Average speed, the speed obtained by the speed obtained the speed obtained by dividing the total time of journey dividing the total distance, dividing the total distance, dividing the total distance by the total time taken. Total time taken. It is not the actual, it is not the actual speed throughout the journey of the body, throughout the journey of the vehicle, okay? Average speed can be calculated as the total distance covered upon total time taken. Total time taken. Okay children? ये है, लेकिन जो एवरेज स्पीड होती है वो इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड कब होगी? एवरेज स्पीड will be same as the instantaneous speed if the motion, in which case, tell me children, in which case instantaneous speed and average speed are same. बताओ बेटा, in which case instantaneous speed and average speed will be same? Tell me. Yes, Rajab, बताओ बेटा. Yes, Divyanshu, show me now only you are joining. Why are you joining so late? Divyanshu, इतनी लेट क्यों ज्वाइन कर रहे हो? Why are you joining so late? बताओ. No one is giving any response. This where is? Yes, Kushag, बताओ बेटा. Kushag, Tejas, give the answer. Give the answer to this question. In which case instantaneous speed and average speed will be same? We will write down. Yeah. Note again. Note. No one is giving any response. अगर स्पीड चेंज नहीं होगी, अगर स्पीड चेंज नहीं हो रही है, तभी तो इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड और एवरेज स्पीड सेम आएंगे. और वो कौन से टाइप का मोशन होता है? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. कौन से टाइप का मोशन? यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. नोट लिखेंगे, नोट लिखेंगे. The average speed is same as instantaneous speed. Same as instantaneous speed. In uniform यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, तो नोट करो। इंस्टेंटेनियस मोशन में, सॉरी, यूनिफॉर्म मोशन में हमेशा इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड और एवरेज स्पीड क्या होगी? सेम होगी, क्योंकि स्पीड विल नॉट चेंज। तो जो एक इंस्टेंट पे होगी वही थ्रू आउट द मोशन होगी कि नहीं? नोट डाउन। अरे व्हाई आर यू ज्वाइनिंग सो लेट? Yes, Rajab Khan, very good. Now you are giving the correct answer. Note कर लो। ठीक है, now shall I have the board? Now I am going to rub the board, children. Okay. बेटा थोड़ा सा अभी टाइम का और बता दे, टाइम, मेजरमेंट ऑफ टाइम। So time is measured by periodic motion. See, in olden days, our ancestors used to find the time seeing the sun. In the morning, the shadows are longer, and in the evening, the shadows are longer. But in the noon, the shadows are. So depending upon the length of the shadows, ancestors used to find the time, but that was not exact. Okay, so measurement of time. Our elders tell the approximate time, approximate time of day by looking at the shadows, by looking at shadows, okay. How shadows help? I have already told you that in the morning and the evening the shadows are longer than in the noon. Shadows are longer in the morning and evening, than at the noon. Okay. than at the noon. The time, the time between one sunrise, the time between one sunrise and the next is called a day. Is called a day. 1 month is measured from one new moon to the next. Is measured from from one new moon to the next to the next. One new moon to the next. A year is fixed as a time taken is as the time taken as the time taken by the earth to complete one revolution of the sun. To complete one revolution, one revolution of the sun, of the sun. Now, how do we come to know the time? ये कौन है ये डेविल गर्ल और मी पागल? Who are these people? ये डेविल गर्ल और मी पागल कौन है? ये नाम चेंज करो अपने. Note down, children. What are you doing this, Alzia Bano? ये क्या बात कर रहे? Devil girl, me पागल, Alzia Bano. What are you communicating? Don't do this. Okay, I'm going to rub now. Measurement of time. Now, clocks or watches nowadays clocks or watches are the watches, and nowadays mobile clocks or watches are the most common time measuring devices. Are the most common most common time measuring devices. Time measuring devices. The clocks or watches. Clocks or watches used to give time. Okay? We all know that a clock has three hands. Second hand, the longest one, then minute hand, then hour hand. Hour hand is the shortest one, and a second completes one revolution or one circular motion, one complete path in 1 minute. Then minute hand completes one revolution in 1 hour, and hour hand completes one revolution in 12 hours. Okay, so this is periodic motion. This is periodic motion, by virtue of which we come to know the time. So this is all about the time. Now, and what is the SI unit of time? It is second. SI unit of time is second. SI unit of time is second. Okay. Okay, children. When we find out the speed of a vehicle, at that time we measured the speed in kilometer per hour also and in meter per second also. Now will you solve one more question? और क्वेश्चन करोगे आप? Rajab Khan, give me the answer. Rajab and Tejas and all others. Question solve करोगे? Will you solve one more question related to this speed? No one is giving any response. Solve की नहीं? Now I am rubbing and writing one question. Arey, give any response? Give response, children. Okay, okay, very good. And we will solve. I am giving one question. We will solve. Question number. Look at page number 156. Textbook. The distance between two stations is the distance between two stations is 240 kilometers. 240 kilometers. A train takes 4 hours to cover this distance. 4 hours to cover this distance. Cover this distance. Calculate the speed of the train. Calculate the speed of train. Speed of train of the train in kilometer per hour and in meter per second. दोनों में निकालना है, ठीक है? करो जल्दी, solve this question. Solve this question, children. Rajab, first of all you solve, then you are giving the answer. You just solve and you show me how you are solving. I don't want just the answer. You have to you have to show me the method how you are solving. Show me the method. I don't want the just answer. Show me how you are solving. How you are solving the question. I don't want just the answer. कैसे सॉल्व करें वो बताओ, जल्दी करो. आई एम गिविंग यू 5 minutes टाइम टू सॉल्व करो. So children, have you solved it? Okay, see how to solve this question. Solution. First of all, you write the formula. Solution. Speed is equal to distance covered upon time taken. Distance covered upon time taken okay. Speed is normally taken as b. The distance between two stations 240 kilometers. So first of all we will calculate in kilometer per hour, and then we will convert it into meter per second. Okay, 240 kilometers, and then 4 hours. So 4 1 jar 4 60 jar 60 kilometers is the correct answer. Yes, Rajab has done it correct. Now we have to convert this into meter per second. Now speed in meter per second. In meter per second. So 60 into 1000 meter upon hours, 60 into 60. 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. 0 0 0. So how it has come? 6 1 jar 6 10 jar. So 100 upon 6 कितना आया? 100 upon 6 मीटर पर सेकंड. 100 upon 6 आया कि नहीं? 100 upon 6 मीटर पर सेकंड. अब उसको और फर्दर सिंप्लीफाई करो. 100 divided by 6 6 1 jar 6 4 0 6 6 jar 36 4 0. So 16.67. So speed in meter per second is equal to 16.67 meter per second. So the speed of the train will be 60 kilometer per hour or 16.6 meter per second. ठीक है? No one has calculated. No one has converted. No one has converted kilometer per hour into meter per second. Why? Unit convert. Yeah, very good. Unit लिखो. Rajab Khan, write proper unit. You are not 16.667 क्या? Write proper unit. Write proper unit. Rajab Khan. Write proper unit. Rajab Khan, proper unit लिखो. So distance covered will be 240 kilometers. Time taken 4 hours. So speed in kilometer per hour is 60 kilometer per hour, and when we converted it into meter per second, it is 16.67 meter per second. ठीक है? Are you ready to solve one more question? एक और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे बच्चों? एक और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे? शैलेश ऑफ द बोर्ड? Yes sir, very good. Rajab is very much active. What others are doing? Only Rajab is responding at a very fast rate, and others what they are doing, they are not doing anything. Yes, very good, Rajab. Well done. Now I am rubbing the board and I am writing another question. Question number 2. Question number 5 of the NCERT textbook. The odometer. You all know what is the odometer? Odometer shows the distance covered in a car. Of a car reads. Odometer of a car reads 57321 57321 kilometer at 8:30 a.m. At 8:30 a.m. Okay. What is the distance? What is the distance moved by the car? Moved by the car if the odometer reads 57336 57336 kilometer at 8:50 a.m. At 8:50 a.m. Calculate the speed of the car. Calculate the speed of the car. In kilometer per hour and मीटर पर सेकंड. तो हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे इसको क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. सॉल्यूशन सी और odometer is distance moved by the vehicle. Distance moved by the vehicle. Moved by the vehicle. Distance moved by the vehicle. Okay, children. So at 8:30 a.m. distance is equal to 57321 kilometer, and at 8:50 a.m. distance is equal to 57336 kilometer. So distance covered in 20 minutes is 57336 321 किलोमीटर कितना हो जाएगा बोलो? फाइनल माइनस इनिशियल रीडिंग 5 7 3 3 6 minus 5 7 3 2 1 5 1 0 0 0. So 15 kilometers. So the car covers 15 kilometers in 20 minutes. So speed will be equal to 15 kilometers upon 20 upon 60 hour. 20 upon 60 hour. Okay. क्योंकि देखो ये हमने आवर में लिखा है क्योंकि एक मिनट में सॉरी एक घंटे में कितने सेकंड कितने मिनट होते हैं 60. दैट इज व्हाई वी आर कीपिंग 20 by 60. ओके तो कितना आ जाएगा 15 into 60 upon 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो वो कैसे है 0 0 so 15 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर कितना आ गया 45 kilometer per hour. The correct answer is 45 kilometer per hour. And in meter per second में कैसे करेंगे? So 45 into 1000 upon 60 into 60 second. मीटर में हो जाएगा 0 0 0 0. So 450 upon 450 upon 36 हो जाएगा. कितना हो जाएगा 450 upon 36. ये मीटर पर सेकेंड. तो इसको हम लोग जब सॉल्व करेंगे देन वी विल गेट व्हाट 450 upon 36 upon 36 is equal to 12.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. कितना हो जाएगा 12.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ठीक है ना? ये रजब खान तेजस चौधरी 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर. करेक्ट, वेरी गुड. 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर. बट यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इन मीटर पर सेकंड आल्सो ना. नोट डाउन दी solution of this question. Correct, Tejas, correct. Rajab Khan, you are not writing proper units. 12.5 क्या 12.5 किलोग्राम 12.5 मिलीग्राम क्या है 12.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. 12.5 मीटर पर सेकेंड. You should write like yes, Rajab Khan. You should use proper units. Okay, note down. So children, with this we have completed distance, the speed. Now in the next class we will see graph. Have you noted this, children? Okay children, so now I am ending up this session. Thank you and have a nice day.